got about 2 miles from the highway to get to this place. I'm over 800 miles to see this. You don't see anything like this. We don't have this. It's only out here. I wish we had this. It's almost like being in someone's backyard and they okay with you looking through some of their stuff. But that's when you pay for, and I don't mind. I like this place. It's pretty good. Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. I think we're pulling up to the place now. This is it right here. It's like it's kind of busy today. It's busy today. It's busy today. Oh yeah, they busy.
Your destination
today.
Is on the right.
Yes, GPS. Thank you. It's right here. There we go. We got to find a place to park. Yeah, it's very busy today. Wow. Got a lot going on here. Yeah. There we go. This place. This is a photographer's dream. It's a good place. They got a lot going on. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. Quite a bit. Got a few hours here. They got a lot going on here, I must say. Let's get with it. All right, we're here. It's a little Elvis mobile. It's time to go out and see what's going on out here. They make sure they let you know that it closed at 4 o'clock. That'd be your butt. This is it. Whoa, what is that? That is different. I've been here maybe about 5 times and I'm doing it again. It's worth the drive. There's always something new to see. That's a strange looking quad. When you can't afford the wheels, you just go with bicycle wheels or whatever that is. Motorcycle wheels. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Wow. Always something new to see. Wow. This is pretty cool. I had to go back to the car because I forgot my boots. You gotta have your just in case if you step in some stuff boots. So be smart. So let's get to looking. Let's get to looking. Wow. Look like some stuff changed. Wait a minute, something did change. I don't remember this. fake fountain. Looks like a core orgy over there. Interesting. Yeah, that's not the kind of grandma you want to be hanging around with. Yeah, this is different. There you go. You got enough dry shaft there, huh? Please do not rearrange or remove any parts. Okay. Gotcha. Cadillac. I'm in this area quite a bit. Quite a bit. Remember this little caddy? It's been a minute. We go way back. This is the Cadillac area. A lot of caddies. Kind of, you can probably ask why I keep coming back to the same place. It's almost like watching a movie, you know. You see a movie one time and you watch it again, you notice something different. That next time around, you're like, I didn't even notice that. So it's one of those things. I catch stuff that I didn't see the first time, or the second time, or the third time. It's always something new to see. It's always something new to see. Look like they built something here. Some sort of scaffolding. Guess people, they climb up there and maybe they were able to take a picture, or look like some sort of line. I know they did not zip line. I'm not sure what they was doing. It's something different. They do something a little different. There's the door. A doorway. It doesn't have a door on it. Let's find out. Ooh, what is it? Oh, I see what's going on here. I guess this was a haunted house, fun house. Oh yeah, that's a little bit on a, yeah. We ain't doing that. No, we don't do that. Ah, now I know the secret. Huh. When they don't laugh, it's the attitude. Okay. I can go with that. There we go. All up on the attitude. Huh. Nice. You want to control something? Control your attitude. Huh? What we got here? There you go. Some Georgia plates. Dates back to 1977. Look like an Oldsmobile, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure what it is. No, nature took over. What is this? Oh. Nice redneck joke. So much to see. So much to see here. I'm gonna try to make it to it's a body of water back here, like a little man-made lake, or maybe it's just a ditch that decided to become a lake or something. It's a body of water back here, maybe a pond or whatever. But oh, they got more signs. Well, righty then. We're walking. Got my ashy hands up there. That's not that ashy. I put water on this morning. Oh, it's been a minute. Wonder if they did any upgrades. I stayed at the Marriott. Let's see if this would have been a better deal. I want to know if they did any upgrades to this little place. Well, let's find out. Let's see if they made any upgrades of this wonderful hotel on wheels, on whatever. I don't know if it's any good today. If it's been upgraded. Ooh, that's why I got on boots. Let's see what it looks like. It's been a while since I've been in here. Let's see what we got in here. Any upgrades? Any upgrades? No upgrades. Alrighty. Still crappy, but it got a new smell of crap. Okay. Huh. Bed of leaves. The wonderful steering wheel. Yeah. Everything is about to still the same. Got a little radio there. Okay, alright. Yes. Got your microwave. Panasonic. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. Luxurious. Pump action toilet. A shower. Pretty nice. Just don't touch nothing and you'll be fine. I think we're about done with this. So much for that convertible Mustang that she wanted so bad. I'm pretty sure that was a beautiful car back in the days. Looked like it was a gold color. With chrome trimming. It's a gold, but the front looked gold and the back looked red. So it may have been painted. Who knows? Must be the, I would say Ford section, because I see, yeah, I think it's the Ford section. That's a Galaxy. I think that's a Galaxy. There's a lot of Fords right here. But I am in the woods. Let's keep walking. This Pontiac must have been a pretty popular car. This 326 Pontiac. Gonna look like a GTO. I see a number of these here. There's another one. Well, they 4 doors. So it's a family sedan. There's 2 of them. I see another one over here. Quite a bit. Lamar. Le Mans or Lamar or something. I'm sure it's a big V8. The hangout spot was the gas station. Let's see what it looked like on the inside. Not much to see. Not much to see. Alrighty then. I'm not sure if those bullet holes or someone went crazy with something sharp. Wow. There's a lot of holes in there. There's like a coupe roadster in front of a, look like a 60-something Chevy. I could be wrong, a 50-something Chevy. With the Chevy, it's not a 57 because of the dual lights. Oh, I'm curious about these holes. I don't know. I don't specialize in stuff like that. Let's keep it moving. Never heard of this. It's a Lincoln. Never seen one of these. I know one thing, it's big. Very big. Is it Premier? Wow. Big one. Someone stole the hood. Hood on this. Oh, and the motor is gone. I guess this was some serious luxury. Fake vents. Wow. That is a big dash. That is serious. Look at the controls. Oh wow, that's some high-tech stuff there. Ahead of its time. Oh, it's controls, probably for the AC and other things. The very big steering wheel. Alrighty then. Body of water I'm trying to get to. Let's say I'm close to it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, look at that. I'm glad I was looking. I think that's a banana spider. Yeah, and it don't eat bananas. But, man, that is a big spider, man. See, I'm talking about I'm from Texas. We don't have stuff like this. Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh, shit. No, fuck with me. Oh my God, that's a big spider. Shit, I think I'll go another way. I'm gonna leave that big ass spider alone, Jack. Oh man, that's a big spider, man. That's the size of whatever big is. Ooh, that thing is big. God dog. When you see stuff like this, it just freaks you out. Look at that big spider. Even the camera don't wanna zoom in on it, so big. Well, I'll just leave that alone. Well, anyway, they're supposed to be God dog, it freak me out now. Now I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I could not do this place at night. No way in hell. No way in running hell could I do this at night. Oh man. We're supposed to be close to a body of water. I think that's it over there. That looks like a boat or whatever. What is that noise over there? I think this is a boat, or something like a boat. Look like a shoe. Please, I gotta watch out for these spiders, man. Look, they call that banana spider because it had the shape of a banana. Man, look at all this stuff. There's some water right here, but this is not what I'm looking for. Oh, we ain't lost. We ain't lost. get out of here. Problem trying to find the body of water, but I'm finding these cool looking cars here. I'm loving it. Oh wow. Love the hood. God, this spider got me all jumpy. Yeah, trying to watch it. Wow, this is pretty nice here. This is really nice. I love all this stuff here. I'm not even sure what that is. Yeah, you won't find much plastic on that. Just straight metal. Wow, this is an old one here. Like a Chrysler. What kind of Chrysler? I do not know. And this is the DeSoto. Yep, don't make this anymore. Don't make that anymore. And this is a very unique hood ornament here. Not sure what this was. What car company it was. You can't see it. It's got a very Chevy look. I could be wrong. I used a lot of cotton for this. A lot of cotton. Looked like it still had a... No, I take it back. Thought I had a key in it. You can tell what it is. Well, I'll tell you one thing, it's all American. We believe in our heavy metal. Still can't tell what it is. I can't tell. Maybe I have to Google it. Alrighty then. I love that hood on him. It's very different. God, that spider still. I'm still thinking about the spider. It's an old Ford, like a 1930, I guess, or maybe 40. I know that's a Ford because it says Ford on it. Look at all this metal. Must have been a messy divorce. I've never been a big fan of Studebaker. Just never liked the design. Very different. No kind of way to make that look cool. With that funny look. Oh, see what else we got. I found the body of water. What I was looking for. So we're gonna try to do something a little different. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this color is not factory. Uh-oh, we found an RV over there. There we go. On an old truck. Looked like an International. But we found the water here. We found it. Just gotta watch out for spiders. I don't like spiders. And we got a boat here, so we can make it across. Yeah, as soon as I touch it, I gotta get some Techno-Shop. Alrighty. Okay, what we got here? Oh wow, that looks like a nice, complicated pickle juice lake. Yeah, I won't be swimming in that unless you hate yourself. See a lot of Pontiac. A lot of Pontiacs chilling over there. And the old school bus. And there's another bus over here with an RV. I've been inside there. I'm gonna check it out again. Oh, I gotta watch out for these spiders, man. I'm not, ugh. I don't like spiders. What kind of car is this? What we got here? Let's take this. Wow. I have no idea what that is. Tell you one thing, they put a lot of work into that design of the front. Very different. Very different. The seats are not too bad. Very different. They love them fins, huh? Lord knows they didn't give them good fuel mileage. Yeah, these things probably was lucky enough to get 7 miles to the gallon. They ate gas. Oh, look at this caddy. Can't go wrong with a Cadillac. Even the old caddies look good. Look at that hood. Look at that. Timeless design. Don't make that no more. Yeah. They don't make it like that anymore. Oh, the door's open. Let's find out what. Watch out for the spiders. I don't like spiders. Yeah, I never thought they have a movie about someone get bit by a spider and getting superpowers. That don't happen in real life. I'm just letting you know that. Here's the caddy, the inside of it. Oh, so nice. Look at the nice, you know, chemical infested cotton. And what else we got here? I always wanted to open up one of these. Like a 1930 back. Let's see what's in here. Wow, part of the motor is back here, the radiator. I finally did it. Cross that off my bucket list. Oh yeah, look at that. That's for the fuel cap right here for the Cadillacs. I think that's your fuel door, I believe. Oh, let's see what this looks like. What is this? Oh, wow. This looks so uncomfortable. Oh, we got the bubble headlights. Oh, wow. What is this? It's a Chevy. Yeah, it looks like a Chevrolet. Pretty cool. Oh, another spider! Shit! fucking. You fucker. Look at that fucker. It's big. Ah. Jesus Christ, that's a big spider. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's not funny, man. Look at this bullshit. The big old banana spider. They call them bananas because they look like a banana. Big old yellow thing. This was the... Let's get away from this area.